making spaghetti and meatballs and cheesy garlic bread today. Here's your recipe for the meatballs. Screenshot it. You want to go ahead and mix everything in a bowl. Combine it really well. Be careful not to overmix your mixture. And the ground beef I used here is 80-20. 80% lean, 20% fat. Portion your meatballs into 2-ounce portions, and if you have an ice cream scoop, it goes quicker. Let's go ahead and make the sauce. You can screenshot that as well. Saute your garlic and onions in olive oil. Add your spices. Deglaze with your tomato sauce and some water. And lastly, you add your cheese and sugar for sweetness. We can go ahead and make the meatballs at the same time. You can either bake it or pan fry it on the stove top. I'm going to go ahead and do that for about 15-20 minutes. Get rid of the excess fat and add the meatballs back to your tomato sauce and simmer that for about 30 more minutes. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and make the butter mixture for the bread. Combine all your butter mixture ingredients together. Mix very well until it's very soft and spreadable, like so. This mixture is enough for about 4 slices of bread. And when you use the garlic bread for the garlic bread, make sure it's a crusty type of loaf, and stay away from the soft varieties like brioche and stuff. Use like baguette or sourdough, which I have here. Spread the spread equally among 4 slices. Top it with some Parmesan cheese, and also sprinkle everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's right on top before it goes in the oven. Don't be too skimpy on the bread, because you want it to be cheesy and garlicky. Meanwhile, you can boil up some water, add some olive oil and salt, cook about 2 pounds of pasta till al dente, and bake your bread in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes while the pasta is cooking. After the bread comes out, pasta should be done, and we can plate up at this moment. All these ingredients will feed up to anywhere from 3 to 4 people. So we can plate up a nice amount of pasta, add 3 or 4 meatballs per person, depending on if you have 4 people, it's 3 meatballs. If it's 3 people, up to 4 meatballs. Top it generously with some Parmesan cheese, and that's pretty much it. You add your garlic bread on the side. There you have the finished product. It's quick, easy, and very comforting. Anybody from kids to adults love this kind of stuff. Anybody loves pasta and cheese, so hope you get to check out this video and try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. Aloha.